Hi, this is Shoma from Bangalore. I heard about this place from my friends, colleagues, but I have never been here. But we came today with our family, friends, and all, and we found it super full of, enriched with natures, trees. There is water. What you said is a peace place. If you want to be in peace, you can come here. It is called a Pyramid Valley. International Pyramid Valley, and where you found a pyramid here where you can go inside. It's a silence place. You can have your meditation. You can have your own inner peace here. So I love this place with the natures. You can talk to the nature. You can smell the soil. It is something about you can enriched with your own yourself with what to say, enrich yourself with natural outbeings, whatever is there you want to have in your life other than your your work, other than your family day, everyday's life. This is where you can found your peace. So everybody should at least come here once here to get the feeling of peace, calmness, what to say. It's a natural beauty. I cannot explain. If you don't come here, you will not be able to explain it to others what you feel here after coming. So it's a really a good place to be, to get yourself in a peaceful place. Thank you so much.